Hi there, and welcome. You are about to discover the new mobile app of DVX Performance, a dynamic app that will reward you as a customer, or reward you to become one. Find and download our app by typing DVX Performance in your store. In order to begin your journey with DVX, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions of our app. Simply do this by tapping the T&C screen or the toggle button. Read them carefully and accept to proceed. As an existing DVX customer, you can select the I am a DVX customer button. Simply fill in your email address used for DVX invoicing and off you go. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. This holds your saldo. Keep pushing it to reveal it, and keep pushing it to hide it again. A little under that, you will find your unique DVX QR code. You can offer this code to anyone you know to let them become a new DVX customer. The new client will receive a nice reduction on his or her first purchase, and you will get rewarded also. Awesome! There is no limit to the amount of people you can give a reduction, so you can keep increasing your saldo. After some time, spend it on your next DVX purchase. Use your saldo to pay. We're treating. Thank you. As a potential new customer of DVX, we've also got some good news. Any existing DVX customer can offer you his or her code. With your app set to new customer, you're able to scan that code, and you will receive a digital reduction screen. Discover the full DVX Performance chip tuning offer, and contact us for your appointment. We'll do our magic for your car, and we guarantee you'll love it. And on top of the bill, you're getting a beneficial reduction. Welcome to the DVX Performance Club. Oh, and the best part, since you're now a DVX customer, simply log in with your email address used on your invoice, and off you go as a DVX customer.